Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Free Fire Max network connection problem in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Your Free Fire Max up to date or not? For that you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Free Fire Max. If here Free Fire Max already up to date, then go back, go to the settings, search here apps. In this you search Free Fire Max, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this note. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After that go back, go to the again setting, then select here private DNS, select here private DNS. Here if unselect configure private DNS, then you select configure private DNS. After doing this, restart your mobile, fix your problem. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.